Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your downloads in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll notice there are actually two convenient ways to access your download history, so I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose whichever works best for you. The first method is using the browser menu. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Downloads. This will take you directly to your Downloads page where you can see all the files you've downloaded through Chrome. Now, the second method is even faster if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. Simply press Ctrl and J together on your keyboard. This keyboard combination instantly opens your downloads history without needing to navigate through any menus. It's a quick and efficient way to access your downloads, especially if you're someone who frequently checks downloaded files. Once you've opened the downloads history using either method, you'll see a complete list of all your downloaded files. Chrome organizes these chronologically, showing you the most recent downloads first. Each entry displays the file name, the website you downloaded it from, and when the download was completed. If you're looking for a specific download and don't want to scroll through your entire history, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the downloads page. Click on this search field and type in the name or keywords related to the download you're looking for. Chrome will instantly filter your downloads to show only the results that match your search, making it much easier to locate exactly what you need. And that's it. You now know two different ways to access your Chrome downloads and how to search through them efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.